Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong December money reading. So, titignan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan sa inyong trabaho, sa career, sa business ngayong December. Ayan. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Ayan, and please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many, many more. Link on the description. Okay, Virgo, let's see. Ano yung energies for your money ngayong December? Scorpio, investigate. So, parang you are becoming interested into something mysterious pagdating sa career mo, sa business mo. Pwedeng some of you may obsession na gusto mong malaman ang isang bagay na pwede mong pagkakitaan. And ito yung tipong nag-o-obsess ka to learn everything that you can. Oo, minsan may ganun kahit ako may mga ganong phase na pag nagustuhan ko ang isang topic or isang project, sometimes I obsess about learning everything, no? In a short period of time. So that's what I'm seeing for you ngayong December. You also have the moon, which is about perceptions. I think you're going to connect more with your emotions. Mas magiging sensitive ka sa instinct mo. Your intuition is going to be more on point ngayong December. Pay attention rin sa mga mga nararamdaman mo ngayong December, kasi usually yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng guidance na ito wag mo munang subukan, or ito hinay-hinay ka muna, or this is something good for you to start with, yung mga ganon. Kasi mas malakas ang iyong instinct ngayong December. You will know alin yung makakabuti para sa'yo, alin naman yung hindi na kailangan mo nang i-let go. So you have the 7 of Wands. This is protection. I think you're going to protect your energies from people na will try to take advantage of your kindness. Pwede ring you are going to protect yourself from those na may mga ino-offer sa'yo na pwedeng projects or business or investments na medyo sketchy. So, I think yun yung kailangan mong i-re-evaluate, no? Lalo na kung too good to be true. Okay, that's why may investigation dito. Talagang you will dig deeper about anything na i-offer sa'yo or magiging interesado ka. So, you want to make sure na hindi ka magkakamali. And with the 8 of Pentacles, you are going to focus on your career. You are going to educate yourself more. Marami kang pag-aaralan. So, yung iba sa inyo may training sa trabaho. You are focused, no? Very much focused ka sa resulta ng mga efforts na ibibigay mo ngayong December. So, medyo maraming work ngayon. You also have the 8 of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, marami kayong aasikasuhin. Pwede tong mga errands, no? Yung mga bayarin, yung mga permits. Some of you short travels din to. Para maasikaso nyo yung inyong business or yung documentation. So, December is going to be very busy. You also have the Lover's card. So, some of you, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang business partnership. So, that's why you are investigating. You are trying to get to know this person. Lalo na kung hindi kayo masyadong magkakilala, but you have, meron kang tiwala sa kanya in a way pagdating sa kanyang ideas, no? You also have the Magician. So, this is your energy. This is taking back your power. So, maaring mas na-challenge kayo ngayong December na ipakita sa mundo ang inyong talents, ang inyong skills, ang inyong power. So, it's not just about manifesting something, but also taking action. So, importante yan. And meron ding mga tao sa buhay mo na very supportive of your decisions, at parang sila yung nag-motivate sa'yo, no, na subukan, gawin itong mga projects na gusto mong gawin, or itong business na to, or itong career na to na gusto mong i-pursue, dahil naniniwala sila sa kakayanan mo. Yeah, yung iba talaga sa inyo, meron ditong business partnership, contracts. May mga kontratang pipirmahan. So, maaring project to sa trabaho, sa business, sa career. May mga magbabago sa yung finances. This is for the better. You also have the Knight of Cups. So, merong offer talaga, no? May offer sa'yo for business partnership, collaboration. But for some of you, hindi kayo agad-agad susunggab dito no? Ito yung tipong pag-iisipan mo muna with the Four of Cups. You will try to negotiate. Ganun naman minsan may nag-offer sa atin, ito yung, lalo na may mga collaboration, partnership. Ito yung offer ko sa'yo. So, isipin mo, dinideserve mo ba yon? Worth it ba yung project na yon? For that payment, no? Na ino-offer nila. For that package. So, for you, iisipin mo muna, reassess mo. Yan yung iba, kayo ay makikipag-negotiate. Kasi isipin nyo na, kung ano yung mas dinideserve ninyo. So, it's okay. Maganda yon kasi you know your worth. So, pagdating naman daw sa finances nyo, iwasan nyo raw na magpa-apekto sa inyong emotions. Pag may kinalaman sa paggastos or sa pagde-decide pagdating sa business or sa trabaho. Halimbawa, pinagalitan ka ng boss mo, tapos na bad trip ka, tapos gusto mo nang mag-resign, hindi mo pinag-iisipan. So, kumbaga, you need to control your emotions. Huwag mo hayaan na maapektuhan yung decisions mo sa career, sa business mo, sa finances mo dahil lang sa emotions, no? You also have shopping. Ayan, marami kayong yung iba sa inyo, you will shop a lot online. Yung iba naman, pwedeng papasok kayo sa isang business, online business, no? Pwedeng you will try to sell your products, your services online. Ayan, some of you will also enjoy your time with nature. Lalo na kung things are stressful para sa inyo, to bring balance in your life. Kasi syempre, 'di ba? Kailangan natin na mabalanse yung energies natin, hindi laging very high yung energy to the point na may mga decisions tayo na padalos-dalos. Okay? So the power of divine grace is within you. Yes, you are divinely guided, Virgo. New growth and potential is on the horizon. Reach out and embrace it. So merong new opportunities for growth for you. So, pwedeng bagong career, bagong business opportunities. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. See? Like what I mentioned kanina, your instinct, your intuition is going to be on point na alam nyo agad which is better para sa inyo and which is not. So, you're going to use your keen perception at yung skills mo kung yun na ba talaga yung best for you. Because you are divinely guided. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.